Section 144 CRPC imposed in West Karbi Anglong. DTC and DSA distributes food items in Dongkamukang. Retired employee reaches out to fellow neighbors with food items. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Baby with the latest news. Now let's take a look into the news in detail. Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong Syed Fakur Rahman on Monday issued a prohibitory order under Section 144 of the CRPC in order to contain any spread or entry of the coronavirus among the public. Here is a report.
In order to safeguard the health of the public, Deputy Commissioner Syed Fakur Rahman also issued a public notification with mandatory orders which include wearing of face mask, practice of social distancing, and gathering of 5 or more persons in close proximity, spitting in public places, sales of gutka, tobacco, and liquor are now completely prohibited in the entire district. Moreover, all institutions or workplaces which have been exempted on the basis of different directives of the central and the state government have also been directed to strictly follow the COVID-19 protocols and to make adequate arrangement like provision for temperature screening, sanitizer, and hand wash, etc. The Deputy Commissioner further said that no institutions or organizations can resume office or open its campus without proper sanitization.
Moving on to another news, with the noble aim of helping the administration in mitigating the hardship of the lockdown-affected people, the Dongkamukang Town Club and Dongkamukang Sports Association provided food items to daily wage laborers' family at Dongkamukang today. Here is a report from Dongkamukang.
The two leading bodies of the town today distributed rice, dal, cooking oil and facial masks to more than 100 persons, during which they also urged them to strictly maintain the COVID-19 preventive measures at all times. The people who received the relief materials belong to families who are mostly affected by the nationwide lockdown. Dongkamukang Town Committee Chairman Delish Ramronghang, Chairman and President of Dongkamukang Sports Association, thanked CM Tuliram Ronghang for providing with masks, which was not available in the area since the nationwide lockdown was imposed.
Kapre katang splen tono laso tiring di awar sai afsarman nikum Dongkamukang Town Club laten Dongkamukang Sports Association na hinkan nikum jingla jingsasi matha yang sei nikum lat along ke thing adang kubang kitung kan sang dali jangtu laten March tame don kharu sira phokep sose abang kubang kisum afan tame nitum pinukan pirongkor partenglo.
Ward Commissioners of Dongkamukang Town Committee, Sarlongki Be and Jitu Terang, among others, were present during the distribution of the commodities. Kabon Militi Supi, Karbi Anglong Live.
Moving on to the next news, coming in from Dolamara, retired school teacher, despite her illness, provided rations from her savings to families of her village to help them survive the ongoing nationwide lockdown. A report from our Karbi Anglong Live correspondent.
Retired school teacher IT Terangpi, wife of Daniel Rongpar of Bachakrang village under Dolamara police station, today distributed rice, dal, oil and salt to the families who are facing food crisis. Local church leaders, Pastor Bilison Hansek and Assistant Pastor Samson Ingti were also present during the distribution.
Bangsa coronavirus akiso kisung kitulong lagi jung nong lagi na jok ladang fokus ke mengira atau apa alung itu ini ladang sisi konsi ke bangsa sang ladang han pamuti baju lo kami hari cinghon angge Bible lang itu ke orang awal saya kami juga lo ladang pada melang orang mepar pes kami alang itu roh harapan cinghon pelajo alang itu sisi konsi ini di baju lo.
They also blessed the family and thanked them for their generosity. It may be mentioned that the donor herself had undergone major treatment recently, but
Sangin ho, aluin min, pen dan fitikadisi, growing fitikadisi, dalian hotuji, Francis ini akor tirami kumpanangi kuda.
her heart for fellow neighbors today has been greatly appreciated by several people of the village. RJ Sanrongpar from Dolamara.
Moving ahead with another news, in what can be said as a total negligence of the authority and the public, over 100 women were seen gather without following social distancing in Delhi. It shows that people are yet to be serious of the danger of COVID-19. Let us move to our correspondent to get a detail of the news.
Despite the strict guidelines of the district administration to avoid gathering and maintain social distancing in public places, hundreds of women from HDP area today showed that they are not at all bothered about outbreak of COVID-19. They came to HDP branch of the Assam Grameen Vikash Bank to withdraw money from old age pension accounts and job card accounts. The villagers said that they had to come out of their homes to withdraw money because they are facing scarcity of food and other essentials. They have also alleged that no free rations had reached to them so far during this lockdown. On the other hand, the local police and bank authority had informed that the crowd was not ready to follow their guidelines. They further informed that from tomorrow, persons without facial mask would not be allowed inside the bank. However, public are worried as they are unable to avail the freely distributed mask, and at the same time, it is not available in local stores. Bijoy Rongpi from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live.
Yet another news coming in, continuing with its effort to raise awareness and urgency among people of interior villages. The Rural Aid Society today distributed soaps and leaflet to families of 34 villages under Dhansari constituency. More from our staff reporter.
The awareness program has been carried out to explain and help villagers to understand the gravity of the ongoing situation in India and around the world, as more than 150,000 has lost their lives from the coronavirus. The NGO, which covered 500 villages on Sunday, continued the program today, covering 7 villages inside the 7th mile Rongkangthir area.
Koilitu lasu kesu kelitum je anamar doma letba kichu chureti ba kenera I lelong le dei pupang kali lasi kumama kilong bang pangke litum hospital pompen hospital long pe hadak pen misenten anam phan ahizumi hang pen hemang le I phanse kenena kwatima lasu kesu kilong blon telitu pirthe ke dak pen se hempen kachik tak lu puleli tu matha da chok.
The NGO, led by its president Digan Ingti, distributed soaps and leaflets to the families of 34 villages, which was concluded at Dikrut Killing village. It may be mentioned that the awareness program were being carried out at the initiative of NGO advisor Niso Terangpi. Rosan Hanse, Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all we have with us for now. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.